Hi friends, welcome to Apurva's World 567. Today we will know about most beautiful and our favorite creation of nature, rainbow. We are planning to add art activities as part of Rainbow Art playlist. Let's start the first episode with our favorite rainbow. Do you know how do we get rainbows? Rainbows are spectacular rays of color. Sunlight looks white, but it is really made up of different colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. The sun makes rainbows when white sunlight passes through raindrops. The raindrops act like tiny prisms. They bend the different colors in white light, so the light spreads out into a band of colors that can be reflected back to you as rainbow. Where do you look for a rainbow? 3 conditions must be met in order for you to see a rainbow. First, it must be raining. Second, the sun must be shining. Third, the observer must be between the sun and the rain. The lower the sun is in the sky, the higher the arc of the rainbow will be. Hope you have learned something interesting today. Thank you.
Please share, subscribe to my channel.